In this video, I will show you how to auto-delete OTP messages on iPhone. Your iPhone can auto-delete OTPs, also known as one-time passwords or verification codes, after you have used them. First, open Settings app on your iPhone. Now scroll down and tap General. Next, tap Autofill and Passwords. Under verification codes, you will find an option Delete after use with toggle button. Simply toggle on Delete after use to auto-delete OTP messages every time. Now whenever you use autofill to enter your iPhone codes or OTP messages, it will be automatically deleted. This keeps your inbox organized and uncluttered. So that is how you can auto-delete OTP messages on iPhone. If you find the video helpful, then like the video, share with your friends and subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching and I will see you in the next video.